Good morning, y'all. How you doing today? I'm outside. I know, look here. I just got my spring wreath up. It says, hey, y'all on it. Can you see it back there next to my beautiful birdhouse church? I'm trying to get ready and welcome in spring. Do any of y'all do that? Do you have certain things that you do through the year if spring starts getting here and we welcome spring? Some of the things I do is, pulling weeds out of the flower, making my flower beds look better, and I'm going to do that later today. But another thing I did is try to make the front door look better. So I've got this going, and I'm going to get some plants to put out here later too. So what do you do at spring to make sure that everything looks good and we feel good and we go outside and enjoy outside of our house? That's some of the things that I do. But another thing that I do is I welcome the hummingbirds back. Do you guys feed the hummingbirds? I feed the hummingbirds every year, and I put them out. We have a gazebo, and I hang them on the gazebo, and I sit out there and enjoy my coffee or my tea and watch the hummingbirds. And y'all know they're a treat to watch if you've never watched them. So if you're one of those like me who loves to watch the hummingbirds, y'all give me a thumbs up, okay? And I'm going to take you in now, and we're going to mix up some hummingbird nectar. So let me get in the house. The wind's blowing. Do y'all hear the dogs barking and stuff? I know. So anyway, we're going to come in. Woo, that wind. We're going to come in and go ahead and mix that up. If you mix up your own hummingbird feeder, y'all let me know. Your nectar, that. I do my own myself. And I tell you what I do. I've got some water boiling right here, and it's so easy to do. It's a ratio of 4 to 1. 4 cups of water to 1 cup of sugar. Woo. And I've got me some stuff heating up right here. Let me move that out of the way and get you set up here. Hang on, y'all. No falling, as my husband always says. Okay, I got it right here. Can y'all see what I'm doing? All right, I've got a cup of water in here, and then all you got to do is dissolve. I got 4 cups of water, and you just got to dissolve your sugar. So here I go. And that is it. You stir it and dissolve it. It's really like making a simple syrup for when you're making tea or anything like that. Now, I know some people do theirs in the microwave, and you can do that too. Tell me, how do you do your hummingbird nectar? All right, I've stirred this up, and it's melted. So now I'm just going to turn it off and let it cool. We got to let it cool so that it won't burn the birds when we put it out there. Now, I usually start seeing hummingbirds around here. One just flew by the window saying, hurry up and get that nectar out. I usually start seeing them around here around this time of year. And they will stay here until the fall. And then they know when to go back. You don't have to worry about taking your bird feeder up or whatever. They'll leave when it's time for them to leave. And y'all know they migrate all the way to different parts of Central America and further down through there. That's a long way for a little bird to go. But hang on. I do have, I don't know if y'all do this, but I have the National Audubon Society books. I love them. And I just wanted to show you a few pictures of hummingbirds right here. Okay, can y'all see those? The beautiful hummingbirds that we get some of these, which is the ruby-throated hummingbirds. And we get several other ones too. I have them like this. This is the female version of the ruby-throated one. But anyway, I like to read about them and just see different things that they like. And if you don't want to feed them, but you want some in your yard, you get flowers that they like. And they'll tell you, you can Google flowers that hummingbird like, and you'll know what to plant. I have some lantana. If any of y'all have certain flowers that they like, put them below, list them below so all of us can go get us some. But I know that lantana, my hummingbirds love it. And I have some red amaryllis that they love, and just different things like that, and some lilies. But anyway, I just wanted to come in and talk to y'all a little bit about what I'm doing. I am cooking, but it's for the hummingbirds today. So anyway, y'all tell me stories of your hummingbirds or whatever. And y'all know watching them, they are very competitive. It's like watching Star Wars battles out there when they start fighting each other. My boys love it. But anyway, I wanted to tell you also, just to remind you, If you haven't picked up my cookbook yet, Happiness is Homemade, y'all, go to Amazon. It's on sale right now. It'll come right to your house. But anyway, what do I do with my hummingbird stuff after it cools? We let this cool off, and then we get our feeders and we fill it up. But now, if I have any left over, I'll put it in a jar, like one of these mason jars or one of these ball jars with lids, and I put it in the refrigerator, and then I'm ready to pour it whenever they start eating it, and it gets, all of the nectar gets gone. And my little hummingbirds are very hungry. They go through nectar pretty fast. So I got to keep that sugar on hand for them. Oh, and another thing, don't give them honey. Their little tummies cannot digest honey. It has to be regular sugar, regular sugar. All right, I've enjoyed popping in today. I'm going to be doing some more things this week to get my house ready for the summer and us being out. Oh, sorry, it looks like I almost went out. So anyway, I'll better get off of here. Sometimes internet is sketchy around here. So the good Lord loves you, and he really does. And I love you too. And let's go feed the hummingbirds, y'all. All right, love you. Bye-bye.